Okay, good morning student. Today I am going to explain for your term 1 exam for class 11th and 12th accountancy how we are going to solve the paper and what paper pattern will came in your exam. Okay beta, in your exam what pattern we are going to follow. I think you well know about that. This year CBSE just instruct you all MCQ questions, case study questions and assessment and based questions there. So we are going to just see how we are going to solve that questions. Are the mainly in this class we are going to know about how the pattern will came in accountancy. Okay beta, for the 11th and 12th both. Okay, what pattern we are following for the solving these questions, or what pattern is giving in that questions. Okay, first one thing you have to know about that your paper is coming in 3 parts: first, second and third. First and second part is related with the your accountancy, but third part is related with the computer. Okay, some students beta, they are going to take the computer in your accountancy on the part of third. Okay, it's not for first year, it's for second year beta. Okay, for 12th. Okay, 3 parts. In first year also 3 parts is there, but computer is not in the first 11th we are going to study that computer, but when the question is coming in 12th, then third part is like a computer part. Okay, and all the students they are in the accountancy first and second part they are going to solve, or first and third part. Okay beta, first and third part. Okay, you have the 3 book. Okay, you have the 3 book. The first part 2 book is there. Okay, volume 1, volume 2, that you can take, and computer. By that your full paper is there. Okay, or you just take first part and second part. Okay, maximum student is just taking the first part and second part. And same in our school, we are only going with this first part and second part. Third part we are not going to touch. Okay beta? Okay, clear? Third part we are not going to touch because it's a computer parts. Okay, now come on the next first part. This first part is compulsory. In this system of the exam, term 1, term 2, by the CBSE, first part they are given that first part is compulsory. Okay, you have to do the question of the first part. It's right or wrong and other things, but you have to do it. It's a compulsory. Okay, you cannot avoid, you cannot leave this question. Okay, you have to do that all the question, maximum question, or what pattern they are going to follow that question in part 1 and part 2 or part 3. Okay, and part 2 or part 3 you are going to take. Just go next. Part 1 they have 3 parts. Part 1 they have 3 sections, A, B and C. Okay beta, part 1 they have 3 sections, A, B and C. In A section 1 to 18 question, it means total 18 question will come. In section number A, section A, 1 to 18 question will come. Okay, 1 to 18, and in this 18 question you are going to only use or run do 15 question. Okay, solve only 15. You have to give the answer of only 15 question. Okay, same way in part B, 19 to 36, again 18 question is there. Again 18 question is there. Some assessment type question is there. Some case study type question is there. And you are going to attend only 15 question. Okay, same way part A, part 1, section A, section B, 18 question is there, and you are going to attempt only 15. Okay beta, in this 18 you are going to attempt only 15. Go for the next C section. Third section, C section, they have given the 37 to 41 question. Okay, 37 to 41. Only 5 question is there. Only 5 question is there, and you are going to attempt only 4 question. Okay, part section C, 37 to 41, 5 question is there, and you are going to attempt only 4 question. In this 5 question. Clear? Part 1 is clear or not? Part 1 is clear. Part 1 3 section. Part 1 3 section. Section A, B and C. Section A 1 to 18. 18 question. Only 15 question attempt. Section B 19 to 36. 15 question. 18 question. 15 question attempt. Section C 37 to 41. 5 question but only 4 question attempt. Okay, beta. Now go for the part 2. Okay. Part 2 2 sections there. A and B. Part 2 section is there. A and B. In A 42 to 48. Okay, beta. 42 to 48. Clear? 6 question is there. And in this 6 question we are going to attempt only 5. Okay? In this 6 question we are going to attempt only 5. And then part B 49 to 55. Again 7 question is there. 7 question, and in that 7 question we are going to attempt only 6 question. It means this total question is 45 question. You have to attempt 45 question and you have getting 55 question. In that 55 question we have to attempt 45 question. Okay, beta? Clear? It's for 11 and 12 both. In our school, no one is studying the computer, so computer part erase fully. Only 2 part we are going to see. Part 1, part 2. But question paper is coming in part 3 part. For 12 and for 11, they are only coming in 2 part. And same pattern we are going to follow for 11 also. Okay, beta. For 11 also we are going to see first part 3 section is there. A, B, C. In first section 1 to 18, 15 question only. 19 to 36, 15 question only. 37 to 41, 4 question only. And then part B, A and B, 2 part is there. 2 parts, A 42 to 48, only 5 question we are going to attempt. B 49 to 55, 6 question we are going to attempt. Okay, beta. This is the pattern of the accountancy. This is the pattern of the accountancy term 1 paper. Okay, beta. For 11 and 12 both. Clear? 90 minutes. You are taking only, you are at the time of 90 minutes and you have to solve the 45 question. Okay? 45 question. 90 minutes for 45 question. It means 2 minutes for 1 question. And marks, total marks is only 40. At least 8.88 marks for 1 question. Okay? So this is the main pattern. On the basis of that pattern, your question will come and you are going to solve. Okay? It's a fully MCQ paper. 4 options you have. You are going to solve that question and then select the one option. Try to write the option and answer both. Like A, B, C and answer. What answer is there? Okay? Don't write the A, B, C only or don't write the only answers. Okay? Try to write like that. A, if A is right, so A. If A is there, A, B, C, D is given. Okay, beta. So then, if the A is right, A, okay, and answer also. This is the right system to attempting the MCQ type questions. Okay, case study is there. All things is given in your question paper, but these are the mainly pattern. 3 part for 12, 2 part for 11. You have to do the first part because it's a compulsory. Second part, first, second or third. First part, 3 sections is there. First A, 1 to 18, 19 to 36. 18 question is there. Only attempt 15 question. Then 37 to 48, 5 question is there. Only attempt 4 question. Part B, 6 question is there. Attempt 5 question, then 7 question in B, and then attempt 6 questions. Okay, total question 45. You are going to attempt the 45 question, but in question paper they are given the 55 question. In 55 question you are going to attempt 45 question. Okay, time 90 minutes and maximum marks 40. Okay, beta, clear? Okay, thank you.